Today, we're diving deep into a review of ibis London Excel-Docklands, located in Newham, London. Let's find out if this hotel lives up to its reputation, and if you should stay there. For booking a stay at the most ideal price, check out the link in the description. At ibis London Excel-Docklands, you can make use of convenient amenities, which include complimentary wireless internet access and a television in a common area. It has a pretty good location. It's pretty close to Excel Exhibition Centre, 1-minute drive, London Stadium 8 minutes drive, Westfield Stratford City 9 minutes drive, and also close to attractions like O2 Arena 9 minutes drive, Tower of London 10 minutes drive, Tower Bridge 10 minutes drive. Here's what other travelers have to say about this hotel. We had issues with a previous booking at an Airbnb who had let us down, so we were a bit panicked and came here. Luckily, there was 2 rooms left, and we were really grateful. Asfand was working at the front desk and was more than accommodating to us, super friendly, and made us feel really welcome. The room was lovely and had a great view, comfy beds. Had our Airbnb canceled and was desperate for somewhere to stay. Luckily, there were 2 rooms left here for a reasonable rate, and we really enjoyed our stay here. Asfand at reception was so welcoming and friendly. He helped us get a nice room overlooking the river and got a member's discount. Stayed while at Excel for Comic Con. Comfy and good breakfast and food. Theo on reception and bar was so helpful, friendly, and polite. Got a kettle replaced straight away when stopped working. Always welcoming when arriving and leaving. Well situated if visiting Excel or Docklands. Another staff on bar very good but didn't get name. Now, let's move on to our personal ratings for this hotel, depending on the type of traveler. For families, 9/10, for couples, 8/10, for friend groups, 9/10, for solo travel, 7/10. Here are our overall ratings for this hotel. Location, 7/10, cleanliness, 8/10, service, 9/10, value for money, 7/10. We would definitely recommend this hotel to you, no matter what type of traveler you are. To get the best price for this hotel, make sure you check out the link in the description. Have a nice trip.